Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Ministry for Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade said 26 students still in the Ukraine. Chief Justice Brian Sykes did accuse the government for no follow what him say and build one special court for keep the young child them. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA said them ask people who know nothing about corruption where go on at the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA for call them. The Jamaican government get the go-ahead for the Jamaica Cricket Association JCA start playback cricket in the country. Now for the full tour of them. The Ministry for Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade said 26 students still in the Ukraine. According to Kamina Johnson-Smith, or the Foreign Affairs Minister, the government are going to continue to help the Jamaican students them who in the Ukraine and them family too. She said 25 of the students them in a Kharkiv and one of them in a Lviv. On top of that, the minister said she beg the student them for follow what them university say if them tell them for left, and the embassy are going to keep contact with the student them through WhatsApp and email. Chief Justice Brian Sykes did accuse the government for no follow what him say and build one special court for keep the young child them. Justice Sykes said not do no more young child what could have last 1 year. Him said the one dang young child will start last September, stretch in a 2 out of 3 court term. Him said the case need enough things and them need for hurry up and build one special court now. On top of that, Justice Sykes said him did tell them from 2 years back for build the court, but nobody no do nothing. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA said them ask people who know nothing about corruption where go on at the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA for call them. MOCA said them a watch wagwan and people can link them on www.moca.gov.jm or send them one message on social media. Plus, people can call them on 876-906-5848 or 876-754-3435 any day of the week. MOCA said them a remind people say anything them tell them I go stay between them. 2 people get shot and one of them dead in a Buff Bay, Portland Wednesday night. The dead man, a 31 years old Ricardo Everett, who live in the Woodstock housing scheme. According to the police report, one group of men did stand up around 9 p.m. when one car drive up and people who in there bust some shot. Mr. Everett did a walk go home when the gunman them shot him up. Him dead at hospital. The Joint Anti-Gang Task Force where them bill were there catch one of the wanted man who did wanted by the Hanover police. The man a Gibbar Griffiths who people call Weedy. Them catch Mr. Griffiths in our operation what them do in a Tango River St. James early yesterday morning. Now for sports. The Jamaican government get the go-ahead for the Jamaica Cricket Association JCA start playback cricket in the country. Cricket no play in the country for more than 2 years now. The JCA so them a look for some more players were different from the one them now for play more cricket. People, remember the curfew from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.